Hey, I'm Joe with Rugged Overland, and we're going to show you how to install the Caballo Classic seats into your 80 Series Land Cruiser using our adapter bracket that creates a simple bolt-in installation. Let's go check it out. So we could show you guys the install. We've gone ahead and taken our seats out that we've been running for the last year and a half with the brackets. When you get your seats, these sliders will need to be installed, and just follow along with Caballo's instructions to get that done. To do the adapter installation, we're going to provide you with 8x125 bolts, lock nuts, and washers that are all 10-9 grade. When you're going to put the brackets on, there is a left and a right for these guys. You could identify it. The smooth side goes in towards the center console. So this is the driver's side seat we're going to be showing you how to do the install on. Alright, and to get this done, there's a couple easy ways. So we're going to start by pulling the slider and pushing these all the way up. You're going to need a 13mm socket and ratchet. You can use a little bit of painter's tape. What's neat about this install, the bolts are going to go here into the slider, and it's caged inside there, so I'm just going to use a little bit of painter's tape here to hold that in place on both the top ones here. Then we're going to grab our driver's side bracket. It's going to be the straight edge. It's going to go towards the inside, towards your tunnel. So now that I have those bolts up there, I'm going to put this up here on the two brackets. Washer, and then we're going to grab our nuts. For the top ones, we're just going to leave them just a little loose still. On these guys, we're going to go ahead and we could ratchet these down. The final torque spec that I'm going to take these down to, we're going to use Toyota's recommended 28 foot-pounds on these guys. So we're just going to get them just right to where they just start to get tight. And that's going to allow these other bottom two to line up. So I'm going to press the tension, let it slide back down. Take our other two bolts, feed those through the washer, whoops, with the nut. My hands are frozen. We're doing this in January in Southern Oregon. It's cold. Bolt, washer, nut, and from here we can go ahead and we can tighten this all the way down. We're gonna just get that snug. Again, the cage holds that in place, so we can just ratchet right away. All right, now we're gonna check the slide action on it. Sweet. Take the painter's tape off. Our wrench set to 28 foot-pounds. Make sure these are all tight. All right, we're good to go. Let's take this to the Toyota. And with this part of the install, we're going to be using the factory Toyota hardware. These do get tightened and torqued down to 28 foot-pounds as well. We're also going to use just a dab of blue Loctite on these guys. So to do this part of the install, I'm going to get these front two started, get the back two started, and then torque this all down. All right, these guys are ready to go inside. Set them up there. Let's get these first two started. One started, two started. We're going to slide it all the way forward so we can do the back two. All right, now that we got those front two in, get these back two started. Again, there should not be anything you have to do to make this work. This is how it should be. You shouldn't have to modify your adapter brackets when they're for the vehicle they're meant for. Boom. All right, slide it back and torque these down. We're gonna slide the seat back. We can go ahead and tighten these. We need a 14mm socket for this, which you already should know because we took out the factory seats using the same. So we're going to go ahead, tighten these down with the ratchet, and then we're going to torque these, again, 28 foot-pounds per Toyota's instructions. All right, get up with the ratchet, switch gears, use our 3/8 torque wrench. for this. This one was recently calibrated. It's a right tool. Love this thing. Boom. Same on the inside. There it is. All right, let's check these out. Slider works. Full recline. Actually, we can go a little back a little bit farther on that, which is pretty cool. All right. That's installed. That's ready to go. To do the passenger side, what you're going to do, grab the passenger seat, we're going to pop it all the way down, flip it on its back, make sure the slides are up. From there, it's a wash, rinse, repeat from the other side. And hey, if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out. Hit us up on email, social media, give us a call, whatever. We're here to help.